Hello and welcome to all my dear students. In the previous video, we have seen the characteristics of computer, block diagram of computer and computer generation. Today, we will see the new point computer system hardware and computer memory. So let's start. Computer system hardware. The actual physical component that constitute a computer are known as computer hardware. The components that can be seen and touched. So, students, in previous lecture, we have already discussed the hardware. Hardware is the physical part of a computer system. It consists of electronic device. The part you can see and touch is the hardware. Some example of hardware. First, input device, keyboard, mouse, scanner, light pen, etc. are the input device. Second, output devices, printer and monitor. Secondary storage device, hard disk, CD, DVD, floppy disk, etc. And internal component, CPU, motherboard, RAM is the internal component of the hardware. So, hardware is the physical part of the computer system. It can be seen and touched. Next point, computer memory. A memory is just like a human brain. It is used to store data and instructions. So students, memory is a mean for storing data or information in the form of binary words. The main function of memory is store the data or information. Computer data storage is called storage or memory. It is a technology consisting a computer component and recording media use the written digital data. A memory is just like a human brain. It is used to store data and instructions. There are different types of memory. First is the primary memory and second is the secondary memory. In primary memory, there are two types, RAM and ROM. Second, secondary memory, in that there are different types of secondary memory. First is magnetic tape, floppy disk, hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, memory card, etc. So, computer memory mainly two parts, primary and secondary. We will see one by one. Primary memory. Primary memory is also called as main memory or primary storage or internal memory. Primary memories are generally a part of a computer system that are used to functionate system. Primary memory holds only those data and instructions on which computer is currently working. It has limited capacity and data get lost when power is switched off. A computer cannot run without primary memory. Primary memory is faster than secondary memory. It is divided into two subcategories, RAM and ROM. So, primary memory is the main memory of the computer system. It is used to functionate system and hold only those data and instruction on which computer is currently working. Without primary memory, computer cannot be run. And primary memory is also faster than the secondary memory. First type of main memory is a RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. RAM is read or write memory. RAM is volatile, that is, data stored in it is lost when we switch off the computer or if there is a power failure. RAM is small both in terms of its physical size and in the amount of data it can hold. So RAM is read and write memory, so it is called as a volatile memory. Second is ROM. ROM stands for read only memory. The memory from which we can only read but cannot write on it. This type of memory is non-volatile. The information is stored permanently in such a memory during manufacturing. ROM chips are not only used in the computer but also in other electronic items like washing machine and microwave oven. Okay, so RAM is a volatile memory and ROM is a non-volatile memory. ROM divided into different types. First is MROM. It means mask ROM. The very first ROM were hardware device that contain a pre-programmed set of instructions or data. It is an inexpensive ROM. So first is the MROM. It means the mask ROM, where hardware device that contain a pre-programming set of instructions or the data. Second, PROM. It means programmable read-only memory. PROM is read-only memory that can be modified only once by the user. The user buy a blank PROM and enter the desired content using PROM programmer. Third, EPROM. It means erasable and programmable read-only memory. In that, an EPROM is a type of memory chip that retains its data. When its power supply is switched off, it can be erased by ultraviolet light for a duration of up to 40 minutes. Next, EPROM, electrically erasable and programmable read-only memory. It is a type of non-volatile memory used in computer and other electronic devices to store small amount of data that must be saved when power is removed. So that this is the types of ROM. Next, difference between RAM and ROM. First, RAM stands for Random Access Memory. In ROM stands for Read Only Memory. Second, RAM is a temporary memory and ROM is a permanent memory. Next, RAM is a volatile memory and ROM is a non-volatile memory. Next, information stored by user in RAM and information stored by manufacturer in ROM. Next difference, read or write operation can be performed in a RAM. Only read operation can be performed in ROM. And last difference, it stores data, program instruction during program execution in the RAM memory. In ROM, it stores system software program for basic operation. So, this is the difference between RAM and ROM. So students, today's session is over. Thank you so much.